Yo, what's up guys? Today it's a new season. Subway Surfers underwater. So yeah, we gotta claim some daily bonuses because that's what we do. Yes. There's some cool characters and yeah. For such, check out the season hunt. Where was it? Okay. So in tier 10 we have a fan-made special called Coral, and tier 20 is a pretty exciting one because we're gonna have Viperfish and Tentaqueen outfit. So yeah, we also got a new season quest, and also there's a new change. If you select any character, they'll have a hat. So yeah, that's cool. Even this guy can have a hat. Look. Wait, he doesn't have a. Bro, what? So yes, this is a new season, so I don't really know that much about it. Yeah. And yes, there's also another board called Big Blue, which is a Icelandic board. Ray. Yeah, it's pretty cool. What is this guy? This guy gets a hat. So yeah, if these person will have like hats. What about zombie? Oh my god. They'll just give hats. Also a hat. I think Vibot's the only one who doesn't have any hats. Or what about that? See, he doesn't have any hats. So we are gonna get the free gift. The tricky hat. Yes, we also have some. Whoa. Wait, I didn't even start running, and now we got free rewards. So thanks. So yes, we're gonna grind just like the Barcelona season. Yeah, how can you paint underwater? So yeah, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're in Bikini Bottom. Oh my god, jellyfish. Huh, huh. This is so cool. Wait, is this like the Megalodon tooth? Oh my god, this sounds so cool. What? I thought electronics don't work underwater. Oh yeah, and there's a new season token or something. Yeah, it's like this. Wait, can I get out of the water? I want to get out of water. There's a submarine thing. Yeah, yeah. It's just like Bikini Bottom. You know, SpongeBob. Why is there like traffic lights? Ooh, a chest. Well, this one's cool. Okay, I'm at Coral. Wow. There's fungus at like the stop thing. Oh yeah, and this is like the squid from the leaks. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I also want to see the dog. The dog has a little hat. Wait, but surprisingly the guard doesn't. Wow, this one's pretty cool. Well, like pawn. Yes, of course, the jellyfish. We love jellyfish. Okay. Oh, do I mess up? So maybe I think like these robot characters and monster character don't even need like hats. So yeah, that's all for this video. It's just a little preview of this. And yes, Greece Marathon. And I think there will be more marathon. So yeah, that's all for this video. Be sure to subscribe. Yeah, bye.